here at the point of the tutorial. Remember this gele? This is one of the geles that we washed the other day. If you have not seen the tutorial, I recommend that you check it out, how to wash gele. We're going to be ironing this gele, basically just preparing it for the next time we want to use it. Now for ironing, you want to keep it on low heat because the gele can get burnt easily, and being that gele is not something you want to buy like pure water every other day, you want to keep it on low heat and just, you know when you're doing something with the mind that anything can happen. So I'm just going to, just like normal ironing, was low heat. I don't know how else to explain low heat, like low heat. So we're just going to iron, take away all creases. Now this is a trick. Some people, when they want to tie their gele, because they are not so good with gele, they would it's really dark. That's why I'm looking black. I'm recording this is I'll show you guys the time. So that is the time, 1:11 a.m. Anyway, okay, about. So you have to keep this on low heat, and as you can see, all the creases are going. Like someone is like, duh, it's just like normal ironing. But like, if I don't tell you that you have to keep this on low heat, man, you're going to burn your gele too soon, and you're going to regret it. So yes, I think somebody asked me as well, can you iron gele? Yes, you can iron gele, and as you can see, it is holding on pretty damn good. So this is basically what you do, like maybe like once in, I don't know, a year, or once in 6 months, depending on how much you use your gele. So you take your time, wash it, and then iron it to get away all the creases. Like I said in the past, this is a service that you can offer, maintaining gele or something like. Wash your gele for them, starch it, iron it. Like dry cleaning service basically. Then give it back to them looking new. So I'm gonna flip the other side, and by the way, have I mentioned that? Probably mentioned already, but I started an Instagram shop called the Owanbe shop. I'm actually currently working on my production company's website because that's when the money is banging. So we're going to fold that in, and can you see the difference between the this side and this side? If you can see, can you see how this one looks like new gele? And converting Damie's diary to the Owanbe queen just seemed like the perfect thing to do. And since a lot of my audience would rather have, this content, it just seems like I am growing and you guys are growing with me. Damie's diary was like in my uni days where I just write everything and anything. Like, I met this fine guy, I put it on my blog and everything, and people love it. People loved it, people still love it, but now I'm making more informed decisions, work, partner, and I can't be doing childish things anymore. I have to be making some mature decisions, right? So if that includes me keeping certain parts of my life private, why not? And since this part of my life, this Damie that is growing into a Nigerian woman, seems like something my audience are interested in. Like, why not give them that? While I'm discovering myself, you guys are coming on this journey along with me. I'm building a brand, and then I'm impacting lives. I'm not just ranting about some guy that I met somewhere or something like that. So we're all done. The last part, and this can be delivered to your client as a service. I can't believe you just watched me iron Gele for like 10 minutes. As much as I'm tempted to iron the second Gele on camera, I'm not going to do that. So that is pretty much it. I don't know what the outro is going to be, but follow me on Instagram, follow my shop at the Owanbe shop, and I'm going to iron the second Gele. If you've not seen, if my voice is low, pardon me, if you've not seen the tutorial on how to beat this turban, it's either out or it's going to be out soon. Actually just did this night and I love it. She's so pretty. Can you guys see? So yeah, I stick around for the tutorial. I don't know when it's going to be. So let's iron the second Gele, and I'll see you guys in the next Gele video. Bye.